What's so funny, TSM?
Disco Bob, yeah, let's go. Disco Bob, let's go. Tune in to Disco Bob, YouTube right now, let's go. Hey, Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard.
Hello everyone, I hope everybody's awesome and safe out there. Well, I was in one of my local Walmart and I found these Reese's popcorn. I tell you what, drizzled popcorn. This looks amazing. I like anything Reese's. And so we're going to open these up and we're going to try them. I love popcorn and I love Reese's. So we're going to open these up and try them now. Here's what they look like. Look pretty awesome. Oh my gosh. These are amazing. Five servings in this bag. One 1/4 cup, 140 calories. There's 5 servings. I'm going to tell you what, guys. You can't go wrong with Reese's. No matter what you do. It's definitely hard to go wrong with Reese's. This popcorn is amazing. Really good. Oh, man. I won't have no trouble giving this a 10. It definitely gives my 2 thumbs up. But for all you guys that live in my area, live in my or watch my videos, that live in my area, in my local area, live locally where I live. I found this at the Walmart in St. Clairsville. The St. Clairsville Walmart is where I found this. So I didn't see it at the one up the Highlands Walmart, but I saw the one, it was at St. Clairsville Walmart. But I'm going to tell you guys, this Reese's popcorn is amazing. I guess this came out back in November of last year. November. So, oh man. This popcorn's amazing. It's really good, guys. And you can't go wrong with Reese's. So, oh man. This stuff is so good. I gotta stop eating it. So, it's hard to stop. So, hey. Definitely give this a 10. This Reese's popcorn. So, everybody have a good one. And thanks for watching this review. I hope everybody has a good one. Thanks for watching this Reese's popcorn review. Everybody have a good one. And keeping the dream alive. Definitely going to keep the dream alive. Have a good one, guys.
What's so funny, TSM?
You tuned in with the Disco Bob. Let's go, disco, go hard. You tuned in with the Disco Bob. Let's go, disco, go hard. You tuned in with the Disco Bob. Let's go, disco, go hard. You tuned in with the Disco Bob. Let's go, disco, go hard. You tuned in with the Disco Bob. Let's go, disco, go hard. You tuned in with the Disco Bob. Let's go, disco.